Hey guys, I got a special car here for you. This is a 1980 Mazda RX7. This car has been owned by one family its entire life until our dealership bought it this year. It's believed to have just over 27,000 original miles. The condition of the car certainly backs that up. This is the original paint. It's the LS edition, which means leather interior and sunroof. And it is just spectacular. Rotary engine, obviously, 5-speed, super rich color combo with the gold and the brown leather interior. Just check out how clean this car is. It is just amazing. Super nice original interior. Very comfortable. Runs and drives amazing. Rotary engine is just way too cool. You can see there we're showing 27,475 miles. You know, check out this dash. Oh, it's just in perfect shape. Let's see, it's got flip-up headlights. And it does have air conditioning, which works really well. Aftermarket radio. The original radio is gone. We do have a service history with this car over the years, which helps prove the mileage. Hatchback. You got your choke control over there. Get your turn signal and your wipers. There's your wipers. Lights. There's your flip-up lights. Work just as you would expect. Pop the hood. Nice horn. Your mirror controls. These are your mirror controls down here. They do appear to work. Passenger side. And there's that sunroof. Really cool package. Alright, and there's your rotary engine. Check out how clean this engine bay is. It is just in excellent condition. You can see there our AC compressor clutch is spinning. Rotary engine revs really high, and when you're driving it you don't even almost feel it revving like you need to shift. It's super smooth. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, look how clean this car is. It is just super straight and original. It does have a clear bra on the front here. Or the clear bra is coming off right there. The front is in super good condition. Don't see much for rock chips. condition. It is a hatchback, and there's a pop. And really clean back here. Extra oil filter. These are our records that came with it. If you want more detailed pictures of the records, please go to our website, give us a call. We'd be happy to go over those with you if you're interested in this car. So this is a 1980 Mazda RX7 LS package, just over 27,400 original miles. And if you're interested, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have all sorts of detailed photos. We'll have undercarriage pictures. We'll have the price on there. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call. This is a really nice, clean, low mileage example of a 1980 RX7. Thanks for watching.